Good morning, students. Welcome back to this data structure class. We are implementing uh, tree traversal, binary search tree traversal using recursive technique. Okay, so in the previous class, we have implemented about uh, defining a structure for every tree node, then defining a class. So in the structure, we have three members. One is a info member to hold the data, and another is a left and right pointers to the left child and the right child. Then I declare a class called tree type, wherein I use this root as an external pointer for the first node of the tree. Then these two functions, insert item and insert, are used to insert values into the tree. Print in order, print pre-order, print post-order, they are recursive functions that we are going to write for in-order traversal, pre-order traversal, post-order traversal. Okay. So how do we create a empty tree? By setting root is equal to null, we create a empty tree. So this is a constructor. It is automatically executed when when an object for the class is declared. Then this is insert item. This I will call it. This I will call it within this insert function. Insert function. Okay. So these are the two functions that are used to insert a value into the tree. Now we go for the implementation of in order, pre-order, post-order. Okay. See void in order program will be within the tree type class is having print in order start. I call it as temp. Okay, what does it mean? It means to display the tree pointed by this temp in the in order way. Okay. First of all, let me check whether my tree is empty or not. So that is if temp not equal to null. If temp not equal to null, if temp not equal to null, what do I say? In order. So what do we do in the in order? First we go to the left child, then the print the parent, then the right child. So I move to the left child first of all. So I call this recursively. So print in order temp reference left. Temp reference left. I go to the left child. Chances are that the left child might be a parent itself. So if that is so, the function is called again to go to the further left side. Like this, it will keep on going until that particular parent doesn't have any left child. Then the parent is, in that case, after that, what we do, we have to write the parent. See out uh, temp reference info. Temp reference info. Then once the parent is written, we go to the right child. So what I will do, print in order, print in order, temp reference right, temp reference right. Okay, that is how we do it. So I'm checking whether my tree is not equal to null. If that is not so, I go to the left side. I will keep on going left side as long as it is not a parent. Okay, once it is no, as long as it is a parent. Okay, once it becomes a parent without left child, then I write the parent value. Then I move to the right parent. So when you call it recursively, left child, parent, right child, left child, parent, right child. This is recursively called again and again, again, again. You will get that in order way. Next, I will write. Uh, Next, I will write a pre-order. Okay. So it is also very simple. Void pre-type print pre-order pre-node star temp. What do I say? Pre-order means first I'm checking whether my tree is not equal to null. So if temp not equal to null, if temp not equal to null, then what do I say? What is the order of pre-order? First the left child, so first the parent, then the left child, then the right child. So see out, see out, temp reference, info, temp reference, info, then you go to the left side. So print pre-order temp reference left, then print pre-order temp reference right. That's how. Okay. Now you see here we write the parent first of all, then go to the left side, then go to the right side. Then it is kept on executed as long as the current temp is not equal to null. You would have written the contents of the tree in a pre-order way. Okay. Then we go for the post order. Void tree type print post order pre-node star 10. Okay. Here also if temp not equal to null, if temp not equal to null, what do I write? I write what is the way of post order? First the left cell, then the right cell, then the parent. So here I print post order temp reference left. Okay. Then the right side print post order temp reference right, then the parent see out temp reference info, temp reference info. Okay, So look at this. As long as this temp is not equal to null, what I do? I go to the left child, write the value. I go to the right side, go to the value. Then only I write the parent value. Okay, this is going on as long as the uh, pointer to a tree is not equal to null. Now we have a mechanism, we have a function for all the tree traversal methods. Now we go for the main method. Okay, main tree type is the class name. I create an object tree. I create object tree. Okay, then I need some value for that nodes. Okay, for that let me create uh, maybe a value yes. Okay, int yes. Okay, then let me have some more some auxiliary variables ch comma mark for convenience sake. For convenience sake, I let me have all these things. Okay, then I go for do. I'm going to write the menu. Okay, do cout add element to tree. Okay, okay. Cout uh, print in order way. Print print in order of tree. Okay, cout print post order of tree. Then the option 3 is given. Pre-order. Let me have it as pre-order. Print pre-order of tree. Okay. Then when the option is equal to 4, when the option is equal to 4, I say print post order. Print post order. So what is the option I want? Okay, cin ch. Getting okay. So what option you want to select? Switch ch. Okay, case one. What to do when it is case one? Case one. Okay, let me create a tree of student marks. Okay, so for that only I have a variable called mark. Okay, cin mark. Cin mark. Okay. So the marks cannot be more than 100, that's why I say while mark less than or equal to 100. Do this. What to do? Insert what you accept as the mark. So I call that insert item method of the tree type class. Or how to call this one? How to call this? How to call this insert item function? How to call this insert item function through the object of the tree type? What is the object? What is the object here? The object here is tree. So tree. So while mark less than or equal to 100. So what do you say? Tree dot insert item not T. Okay. So I want to get the subsequent values. So cout enter mark. Cout enter mark. Okay. I get cin mark. Then cin mark. So break. Now look at this function. What happens? As long as the mark is less than 100, I keep on inserting them into the tree using the insert item function of the tree object. Okay, so this insert item function is a method belonging to the tree type class, and that method is called using the object tree. Okay, that values are inserted, inserted, inserted. Okay, break. Then case 2. Now I display the created tree in order way, pre-order way, post-order way. First, I call that in order function. For that, I use the object tree dot print in order of tree. Okay, then break. Okay, then what's the next case? Case 3. Case 3. Print pre-order. So the object is tree dot print pre-order of P. Then the next case is case 4. Uh, tree dot print post order of P. That's all. So we have written methods coding for all the tree traversals. Okay. So this I will do it as long as my choice is either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Okay. Here also I should have break. Okay. While ch not equal to 0. Okay, maybe I can. So once my value for this ch is equal to 0, then I terminate this while loop. Okay, so that's all. So we have successfully written a uh, program that displays the contents of the tree in a pre-order way. So when let us revisit this program, here I create a structure for every tree node. Every tree node is having a data value and a left and right pointer. Then every tree is having a class, and using the constructor, I create a empty tree. Then I insert the values using these two insert functions. Then I display the contents either in order way, pre-order way, post-order way. Okay, first of all, for that I create the I implement this insert item functions. Then I write the coding for in order. I write the coding for pre-order. I write the coding for post-order. That's how. Then I call all these functions in the main. So it is a simple program that displays the contents of a binary search tree in a in order way, pre-order way, post-order way using a recursive method. Okay, let us see in the next class.